Hey everybody, how's it going? How's it going? Cody here with Overland Academy, and today I'm going to be unboxing some communications gear, some comm gear, some radio, handhelds, some things you can use when you're out there exploring the world, to talk to each other in the group, to talk to somebody when they're hiking, to talk. Anything you want to use it for is for communication. And here's what it looks like. It's a Midland radio. It's the Midland two-way GXT Pro Series. It's called the GXT1000vp4. It says it's got 50 channels, 142 privacy codes, NOAA weather alerts, group calls, so on and so forth. Look at her. She's having a great time. So let's unbox this thing and see what's inside. So here's your Midland two-way radios. I'm going to crack open this box and see what's inside. All right, looks like I should have brought my pocket knife with me. All right, so we're inside the belly of the beast. So the first thing, everything's boxed up in cardboard, which is nice. It comes with, looks like a charger for your cigarette lighter. Just a rule of thumb. Not saying it right, but I normally don't look at the instructions first. I try to figure it out, and for some reason I get too stuck, then I go in the instructions. Is it the perfect way? Is it the right way? Probably not, but it's my way. So here we are. We got the box. Box is open. Everything's in nice packaging. Like I said, we have the controller, not the controller, but the charger for we got some sort of, looks like an earpiece. We got another earpiece. There's two earpieces. We got, whoa, one radio wrapped in plastic, a second radio wrapped in plastic, another charger on it. So I'm guessing that is probably for the base. And here's a base. And look at these things. Boom, instructions, brake in case of emergency things. All right, we'll put that aside. What else? Oh, we got one more. We got two things. We got a rechargeable battery for one of the radios, and it looks like a second rechargeable battery for the other radios. So everything's boxed nice and neatly. I'm gonna take the box, I'm gonna set it aside. We don't need it right now. First thing I'm gonna grab is the radio. We're gonna take it out of the plastic. All right, look, it's already turned on. No, wait a minute, that's a sticker. You pull off the little sticker on the screen here that shows all the different little numbers and doodads and whatnot. So who needs that? All right, you have the radio. It seems to be well built. It's got a nice antenna on it. It's got a nice clip on the back. Let's see if we can get you got to find the battery. Here's one of the batteries right here. So let me pull the battery out of the plastic. Let's see if I can get this battery put in. Looks like I'm gonna have to remove the clip first. So the clip's gonna come off. It's easy. Just push on the little tab on the back. There's like a little tab right here on the back. You push up on it and it slides right off. And then you can flip this down and boom, battery cover off. This thing says, please switch to high power to get maximum range. Kind of obvious, I think, but and I guess this counts as an instruction, so I already failed my task. But it says, please switch to high power for maximum range. Sounds rad. The battery's got a little nub right here. If you see it, look, it's got like a little nipple on it. And let's see, it looks like there's a little nipple hole right here in that part. So let's put that like this. Slides in real easy like. Oh, let me get real fancy about it. Yeah, slides right in real easy like. And then cover goes back on. Flip this closed. Put the belt clip back on. All you do is slide it in place. And from here, and every radio I ever use, if you turn this, things come on. Let's see if it works. Yep, it works. And look, the battery comes fully charged. So that is nice. And it says channel 1. And I guess it says H, meaning high. I'll have to take a look at that. We'll go into some details about what all the numbers actually mean. And I won't give you bad gouge on that. But right now we have a couple buttons on the front, menu. All right, so the good part is it all works when he turns it on. So I'm gonna turn it off, I'm gonna do the other one, and then we'll see if they talk to each other. Sounds good? All right, now you got the two radios here. We'll see what else is in the package. We got the base. So the base looks like it's a charging base because like you saw the batteries earlier, they're rechargeable batteries. So these kind of mount themselves right here in the rechargeable base. Look at that. And then looks like probably this one is this one. What the hell is bells? This one, it's the one that plugs into the wall. And you look on the back here, you can see where it plugs into here. Boom. So it charges. At the end of this, I'll give you all the different details about how long it needs to charge when you first start it. How long does it take? I say it takes about this long. This long. I'm gonna put it right here, I think. This long to charge it. All right, there's that. Let's set that aside. Next, we got, what else is in here? Oh, look at this. Breaker 19, Breaker 19, Smokey and the Bandit. We have Twisty ties. Come on, let's go. Twisty ties. Got a headset here. So in case you want to go ghost recon on this thing, you can install the headset. Hold up. Install the headset. Where's this thing? Install the headset. Let me look at this. You know, how the hell? Put it on your ear so you can bring it in front of your face and be like, Lieutenant, chickens in the warehouse. No, foxes in the chicken. I don't know. Something like that. Something real high speed. And I guess you plug this in the side of this. No. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. So you put this on your head. You pull this little flap down and this plugs into that. One's big, one's small, so you can't screw it up. And there you got it. Red team go, whatever you want to say. Whatever works for you. That's it. But you got a headset. So what's next? So next we got, another headset in case you and your buddy want to play Ghost Recon. There's 2 headsets. That appears to be all. So that's what comes in the box. In the box you have 2 radios, the charging base, which I'll plug these in, boom, which comes with the charger. This is a wall plug. And then you also have the option if you want to plug it into your car and charge it while you're on the road, which is good. Because a lot of times you're out driving and you need to charge these things. You have a headset and you have another headset. So there you go. It's actually for, I think, what do they go for? I want to say they go for about 60 something bucks. Let's see. $69.95 seems to be about the going rate for these things. So about around 70 bucks. You get 2 rechargeable batteries with the handheld. You get the base here to charge them at home, to charge them in your car, and 2 headsets. So that's a pretty good deal. So once we break them out, we'll see how they actually work. And I'll go through all the functionality on the next video. All right, thanks for watching. This was just an unboxing to show you what's in the video itself. On the next one, I'll take them out. I'll run through all the buttons. I'll run through all the functionality, what codes, because it says it can go up to 36 miles. It's got a bunch of weather station channels and all sorts of kind of privacy codes. So it's a lot of information to shove into one video. So this is just going to be the unboxing side now that I got this all open. All right, as always, if you can, like, comment, subscribe. Find me on Instagram at Overland Academy, or my trips planning I do with Xpedition America with an X, not an E. Xpedition America on Instagram, Xpedition America, Overland Academy. And if you liked what you saw, please drop me a comment. If you didn't like what you saw, please also drop me a comment, and we'll take it from there. As always, be safe, have fun, be prepared, and if you see me on the trail, say hi.